Good morning, everybody. We got flat futures. Let's see what's going on. Um, Microsoft got something right now. Okay. All right. So ES, it's flat. It made a new high at pre-market. Then 8:30 came report, and right now it's just kind of flat. Nothing special happening. Pre-market again, there is mixed signal. It's all about opening action. 4 hour MACD is still downward, but trend is still up on the daily and weekly. It's all about breaking the new all-time high. Once we break it, maybe something interesting happens. But just keep in mind, the higher market goes, there is a possibility the pullback comes. There is no sign of it yet, but it's just the higher it goes, it is getting more scary. Okay. Anyway, ES, that's done that one. NQ, same thing like ES, kind of flat, nothing special, no clear signal. 4 hour is still bullish on the TTM squeeze. It's all about names jump. If names jump at open, they can continue going higher. Daily, weekly is still very, very bullish. I tell you what, this bull run in general, I don't think it's gonna be over until the weekly MACD dead crosses. Until the weekly MACD is not dead cross, this bull run can go on and on and on. Maybe in January, maybe in February, maybe in March. We'll see. TNX 1% negative, all about breaking 38.75. Breaks that one 38.70, 37.44. DXY negative 2, that's a good one. So next there is if breaks 102.251, next is 101.914. Direction on DXY is downward. This is good for text today. Wix, thank God, is not green today. It was green yesterday while indexes were green, so that was a little bit alarming, but today is red. That's a good thing. Breaks 12.1, that's a key level to watch. Breaks that one, market can go higher. If it goes above 1307, not gonna be good. And that's BTC tried to jump up yesterday. 4 hour it was actually a strong close yesterday, and after that run up last night. And 4 hour MACD is golden cross, so we'll see. But pre-market, not intraday, not looking so good from 5 to 1 hour. But 4 hours golden cross, so keep that in mind. If it opens during the market, it jumps again, there is a possibility crypto names run up again. um so Apple was interesting yesterday. It on the news that China banned blah blah blah. It fell and then it made a recovery, and right now it got back to 196.96. So two key levels to watch this morning. If it passes 196.96, we are looking for 97.94, not 99, 201. If it goes below 196, 195, then again lower level 194, 194.02. Pre-market right now 15 and 30 is still up. I don't like that we got the dark blue bar on 15, and 1 hour is upward, so there is mixed signal. 4 hour is still pressuring down. We have red bars on the TTM squeeze, and daily MACD got a dead cross yesterday. So need to see if which one is gonna break 196 or 195. Amazon was very hot yesterday. The setup, I went over in the live, that had a high chance to go 154, and it still is opening above it. It's still strong within other names. If you see it open and jumps 155.78, 157.82, those are the next target. If it breaks 158, those are the next target. 163, 168, 173. Doubted today, but we'll see. 1 hour is dead cross. 30 minutes is still down, and but 15 is still up and holding above 154. So if it jumps 155, 157. If it goes below 154, can have pullback. If you see 15 MACD dead crosses and goes below 154, it's possible to retest some of these levels again. Nvidia, I think some downgrade, some research, blah blah blah, came out, and it's right now gap down opening. Pre-market right now 15:30, 1 hour is downward. 4 hour we got dark blue bars, still very bullish on daily and weekly. Weekly is still not even dead cross, a golden cross on weekly. Once that happens, it's gonna get interesting. But for now, it tried to make a new all-time high and it pulled back. So two key levels to watch is 491 and 493. If 493.88 passes, can go back to recovery. 495, 498, 501, and market be like, okay, your research is not good. But if market believes it and 491 breaks it, we're looking at 489, 487 and lower level. So just watch these two levels, 493.88, 491.63. Breaks either one, bigger move gonna come. And since was a lot of people into Nvidia yesterday, there is more chance for recovery to the upside. 501 again is key, breaks that one, 503, 507, 511.09. AVGO gapping down 10 points. It was interesting yesterday. It was running up, made made a new all-time high yesterday, and but the 4 hour is still on a dead cross mode, so the pressure is down, and the 1 hour is dead cross right now. 5, 15, 30 is downward. It was a dividend day. They distribute dividend today, so that's why it was strong yesterday. People wanted to get in to swing it overnight and collect the dividend of $5, but they're losing what, $15 on this stock. So anyway, um, anyhow, 138.98 needs to pass that one to run up to 1149, 1162, but for now direction is downward. It's already below 1138, so 1131, 84, that's a key level to watch. Past that one, 1124, 1115. If it gets crazy, can go to 1100. Baba, still daily MACD is upward, but 4 hours showed weakness since yesterday, and right now is near dead cross. 5, 15, 30 is upward. If 1 hour golden crosses, key level to watch is 74.45, 75.37. Need to get above 75.37 for a run up to the near 80s. Netflix was a monster run up yesterday, gapped up open, then it jumped up crazy, but usually since last few weeks, Netflix usually does a 1 day run up. 1 day run up, then a rest, 1 2 day, then again maybe another one. Daily MACD is near golden crossing, 4 hour very upward, but 1 hour is dead crossing pre-market right now. 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is downward. So two key levels to watch is 487, 480, 488. If 487 passes, we can run up to 490, 493. If it goes below 488, 88, then supports are 479, 474.8. Meta was a monster runner yesterday too. Daily MACD is golden cross, 4 hour very bullish, so it's all about 347.28. If it can pass that one, we're looking at 350, 354.35. If it can hold 345, then we're looking for next support 341 and lower level. To Tesla, had a nice run up yesterday, but then pulled back very hard. So it came from 240.58 almost to near 250. So right now it's holding 252.55 level. If it can hold there, we're looking for getting 251, 250, 248, 46, 56. Worst case scenario 246. Those are the major supports. 4 hours dead cross. So there is a mixed signal. It's possible to have some pullback more. Worst case scenario, as I said, 246. Then it jumps up again, because in general, weekly MACD is golden cross, daily is bullish, so there is a possibility have a pullback and then run up again. For right now, 515 is downward, so it's a mixed signal pre-market. Need to pass to 56, 54 for fly up. Microsoft opening up 2 points and pull back a little bit, and so pre-market right now 5, 15, 30 is downward. 1 hour we got dark blue bar, 4 hours interesting, we got inverse light blue bar. So it's all about passing 373.52 and 375.76. Once it passes that one, can go make a new all-time high, but for now it's just up and down between these levels, 369 and 375, with minor level 371, 373.52. Google, another monster runner. Daily MACD golden cross, 4 hour was just sharply upward yesterday. It was just a monster setup, so it's all about 136.48, or better say yesterday high, yes, 137. 137, if it passes, we're looking at 137.92, 139.36. And Google is kind of same like Netflix, as I mentioned, just like a 1 day up and then pull back. So 1 2 day up and then pull back. So it's been very very volatile, wild moves recently. So keep in mind, maybe it goes up today and then have a bigger pullback for whatever reason, news or whatever happens. So they had to pay $700 million for the settlement of their Android store. So 135.59, if it can hold there, can pull back and lose all the gains from yesterday. 134, 132, 131, but 137 is the key for fly up. AMD to try to join Nvidia yesterday, but right now Nvidia weakness is affecting AMD too. Pre-market right now 15:30 1 hour is downwards, so two key levels to watch is 137.58, 138.79. If 138 passes, 140 and 142 is the next target. If 137 passes, we're looking at 135, 134.41 next supports. Boeing showed a lot of weakness yesterday, and we got the first dark blue bar on the daily TTM squeeze, and the 4 hours dead cross got 100 order from Japan or something. That helped it jumped up pre-market, but again lost its gain. So that's showing that it seems like it's toppy for now. So 260, if we can hold it, we're looking at 257.78, 255.69. Need to get above 261, and then if it gets above it, 264.53 for next run up. But for now, seems like it wants a more pullback. SPY making 373.20, 473.22. That's a big wall for now. It was a big wall yesterday during market. It's a big wall this morning. Need to pass that for fly up. Once we pass that, the next target is 475, 477.92. But again, 471.77 is a big support there. If it misses for whatever reason, news or anything, those are the next supports there. QQQ. Almost very close to new all-time high. Need to get to 409 for new all-time high. So next target is 408, 408.99. Pre-market mixed signal, so we'll see. It's hovering around 407. If it runs up, 408, 408.99. If it pulls back, 406.45 and 405.66. Those are the next support. What else you got here? Roku keeps going lower, but it's just trying to defend 90s. SMCI was a monster running yesterday, but again, this one does yeah, okay. So right now 15:30 1 hour is downwards, so it's below 316. Two key levels to watch is 312, 316. If 316 passes, we're looking at it going up again, 323, 28, 333. But if 312 can hold it, 308, 306 and 300 is easy come. What else? Cost is just making a new all-time high every day. What else? Coin is running up on the BTC, but right now BTC is pulling back, so that one is pulling back too. 154, if you can hold it, 151.91 is the next support there. What else? GS was interesting yesterday too. It was just pulling back, so keep an eye on banks. Their earnings is in 4 weeks, and they show. It seems like some people want to get out before the earning, and it's something very normal. Like whenever before earning season market run up, before we get close to it, some people lock their gains because they're just normal. They want to lock their gains before the earning, like 1 month, 4 or 5 weeks before it, and then there be some pullback, and then as we get close to the earning, like 1 week, 2 week, then is another jump up. So banks 1 week, we are 4 weeks away. That's pretty much it. And top of the morning, yes. Thank you so much for tuning in, and that's it. Have a beautiful, lovely day. UPST. All right, that was on time. UPST opening 2 points higher. This one 4 hour is already dead cross, but is making a new highs. Daily MACD is very bullish. I tell you what, until the daily MACD is not dead cross, this one still does have a chance to go up. 48.21. That's a key level to watch. That's a major level. If it passes that one, we're looking at 49, 51, 53, 51. Yeah. So yeah. This one is on the run. The lower the rate goes, UPST, AFRM, Carvana, these names can squeeze up higher. And historically, January was the best time for a squeeze up meme names. Yep. All right. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.